True Value, Greater Kailash, Jammu welcomes everyone for more new True Value for Maruti Suzuki. We have more than 100 certified cars for display. We have 376 checkpoints to ensure quality and reliability. Dedicated relationship officer guides you during car selection process. You can take your shortlisted cars for a test drive for your personal satisfaction. Our pre-owned True Value cars come with 1-year warranty and 3 free services. The old cars have been refurbished with Maruti Suzuki genuine parts and accessories. Moreover, you don't need to worry about paperwork. True Value Greater Kailash, Jammu will handle that for you. So step in and drive out your car with warranty-free service and Maruti Suzuki's widespread service network. True Value, NH1A, Greater Kailash, Jammu.